So you might be in a position where you're trying to figure out how you can go ahead and insert a row on Excel or a column in Excel. Now, doing this is very basic. It really doesn't take too much time at all. So to get started, what we're going to want to do is if we go and take a look at this first row that we have here, and we have row 2. Well, let's say we wanted to make a row in between these called like row 1A or something like that. Well, to do that, you want to go ahead and kind of click in the middle part of these two particular cells. So you're going to want to go ahead and basically click onto like this particular like middle cell right here, or you can click on this one, it really doesn't matter. Just highlight one cell and then just click on the one you want. Now there should be a little insert button that basically comes up. If you want to go and insert a row, you want to go and specify which exact row you want to go ahead and basically add. So you can either add one row above or one row below. In this case, if we selected this first row, we want to go and select one row below. When we do that, it's going to insert a row for us right here. Now let's say I had another row. Let's say I had another row called row 3 right here. I know it's getting kind of confusing. Let's say I wanted to go and insert a column here in between these two. I can do the exact same thing. I can right click into this particular cell right here. I can click insert. I can click insert a column. And in this case, I wanted to insert a column on the right. I can click here and it will insert that column for me here. It will end up moving this over, so I'll have to move over this one. But that's pretty much how you can do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.